Biological anthropology, or physical anthropology, focuses on humans as biological organisms. It traditionally concentrates on human evolution, human growth and development, human adaptation and forensics, but today also studies the relevance of genes and genetic information in humans, which contributes greatly to the understanding of human evolution. Biological anthropology has many subcategories, each studying a different aspect of humans. Biological anthropologists can use their knowledge of the body to assist in many work fields, especially those in positions primarily focusing on humans, providing them with clearer understandings of how humans function. Biological anthropologists seek to understand how humans as biological organisms function and develop. Through this interest, they are able to discover how biological and cultural processes come together to display how humans have adapted and evolved over time, the development of human behavior, and the causes of diseases and death in humans. This knowledge that can be found by biological anthropologists can be used to help in many different workplaces, in everyday life, and to solve problems faced in our world. Biological anthropology, first known as physical anthropology, began in the 17th to 18th century with the study of racial classification. As new information on humans as biological animals increasingly grew, many new subcategories began to emerge from the field as well, one of them being forensic anthropology. Forensic anthropology was established in the 1940s as law enforcement agents began to call upon biological anthropologists to help them solve criminal cases. Forensic anthropologists closely analyze human bones to gather information on who the bones belong to, how long ago the person died, and how the person died. This information can then be used to help solve criminal cases. A time when forensic anthropology was called upon was to assist in the identification process of those who died in the World Trade Center attacks, better known as 9/11. The 9/11 attacks occurred on the 11th of September 2001, when 4 coordinated suicide terrorism attacks against the United States were put into action. 19 militants from the Islamic extremist group Al-Qaeda hijacked 4 planes, flying 2 into the Twin Towers of the World Trade Center, the 3rd into the Pentagon outside Washington, D.C., and the 4th into Shanksville, Pennsylvania.